Do you know what a dividend reinvestment plan is? It's okay if you don't, but if you do not know what this is and you don't know how to drip, you're literally throwing money away. So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to set up a drip inside of Interactive Brokers in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it and log into our online portal to get started. So here we are inside our Interactive Brokers portal login in an online browser in Chrome. And to turn on the Dividend Reinvestment Plan or DRIP, there's a few quick steps. Go up to the top where you see your name here and click on that. Open up the settings bar right there. Here in our settings menu, we want to scroll down to the very bottom and go over here under trading and select dividend election. Right now you can see that stock default is to receive cash. We don't want to do that. We want to automatically drip or reinvest our dividends. So we're going to click on dividend election. Now here's where we can actually change the settings for our dividend elections. And by doing this, we can either set up a drip where we reinvest or we can receive cash. Those are the two options. And it's critical to understand here, there's two different settings. Right here at the top is the account level settings, which means if you click this reinvest button right here and save your changes, every single stock that pays a dividend will automatically enter into a drip program where they're going to be taking pieces of the fractional dividends that you do get and just buying fractional shares in the market. If you want to do this and make it different for different stocks that you own, if you want to get some that pay dividends and just keep it in cash in your account versus taking them all as a drip, you can click receive cash on right here and go down. And this will show you your actual positions in your account. And you can toggle these on to dividends. If I wanted to put Airbnb, Meta, PayPal, and everything else dividends, if they have a dividend, they will then pay it as a drip into your account. And you're going to get more fractional shares. And you can say follow account level here, or you can receive cash, which is our account level at the top. Account level settings here will be mirrored down here. So I just click follow account level. Anything with this follow account level button on will just be able to receive cash instead of actually reinvesting the dividend. So do it as a position-based, or you can do it as an account-based level settings, or if you want to, you can also reset all to default. When you do have changes to make, pull my face up there, click on continue. That will activate your changes in your account. It's that quick and that easy to set up a drip investment into your account. That way you're getting dividends paid to you, and the money that you get from those dividend payments go right back into more shares, further compounding your interest. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I would so much appreciate it if you did. If you like the content, there's more stock trading, Interactive Brokers tutorial, and TradingView tutorials on my channel. I'm Andrew Ferguson. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.